Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video blog, I will share to you how to put a bobbin into a bobbin case of a sewing machine and how to put this bobbin case into the sewing machine bobbin driver. Let's watch, and please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. This is the bobbin, and I will put this into this bobbin case just like this, and after that this bobbin case I will put it into the sewing machine bobbin driver. The click indicator indicates that the bobbin case is locked into the machine. I will repeat. To put the bobbin case into the sewing machine bobbin driver, and the click indicator indicates that the bobbin case is locked into the sewing machine. Thank you for watching, and see you on my next video blog. Bye for now. Take care and God bless you all.